I'm very embarrassed right now. I literally just filmed this whole video, but the mic wasn't on, so to me it might feel like a repeat, but here's some seashells. Emery's brain's not working. I think the heat was getting to me. I was sitting in the sun, and now it's cloudy, so it's good now. But I got seashells. I feel so silly. Like, look at this pretty shell. It's like a tie-dye seashell. Okay, I have so many shells I need to show you. And then there's this yellow shell. It's so cute. It's orange and it has a hole in it. And this is a part of a scallop shell. I wish I had a cup of water. I only have a cup of matcha. And if this was complete, I would have been in love, but it's not. So we just have a fragment. But it's still pretty because it's red. There's orange and red in it and gray. So when I see these, I call them like the fire and water shells. The scallops, the fire and water scallops, because it literally looks like fire and water are fighting on this shell pattern, and it's so freaking cool. Maybe one day I can like show you some of my complete shells and do it all. But I've been moving around and traveling, so my shells at home have been packed up. But look at this. I just saw that my shirt's inside out. We are not, this is not happening this morning. Oh my gosh. And like I closed the curtain to like make sure my silhouette behind me wasn't happening, but I'm still there, so I'm just gonna turn the camera a little different. Oh no, my shells just fell on the floor and I think one of them broke. I'm sad. But seashell. I have a mustache. A cell stash. Look at this. This is probably one of my favorites. It's a fragment. It looks like wood on the outside. Almost dropped it. Like, we're doing great. And it's so pretty. And it's super shiny and looks like, I don't even know. It's so pearlized and pretty. I love it. Like, she's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. I love these seashells. And then we have a Swiss cheese. Look at that. Look at all the holes. I think some creature in the ocean caused this to happen. But shells are so hard, so to see it get worn away like this is really kind of mind-blowing. Matcha intermission. Oh my gosh, another shell just fell. I'm kind of really confused on which shells I've done and not done. Oh yeah, my giant bowl of... There's just a bunch of shells in this shell, and this shell's complete, and it's so pretty, and I love it. And there's still sand in it, like a shell or two just fell out, but let me dump this sand actually. It's crazy. I can't speak. I don't think the matcha's kicked in yet, but it's crazy when you're like at the beach or near sand that no matter how much you think you've gotten rid of the sand, you still have sand somewhere. Like it's literally on my camera right now, so that's why I'm not on the beach, because I'm trying to protect my camera gear, and I don't have enough to replace it, so yeah. Seashell soup. Yum. Look at this. So this olive shell has a really cool like zigzag pattern on it. It's only a fragment, but it's pretty neat. And I don't know why it's so chalky looking, but when it was washed up on the ocean and I grabbed it out of the water, it's way fresher. It's fragment. I just dropped it, but it's not broken. We're good, guys. We're good. I can't tap it because I think I'll break it, but look, oh, it's still tied together. The little periwinkles. They're itty bitty shells, but okay, I got a collection. I got this really pretty gray one. Boom. And then this, like, I think it's like a miniature oyster. It's so cute. This one is gorgeous. She's pretty, super like tie-dye. Cool thing happening. Itty bitty teeny shell. Oh my god, a flat pearl. A little article. I could make a necklace out of it. That would be pretty. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. I don't know why, but there's this like plant berry that just showed up. It doesn't really make any noises, but it kind of looks like a teeny tiny tobatilla, but those don't grow here, so I don't know. Boop. Back into nature you go. Look at this itty bitty shell. So cute. Like, all I have eyes for is seashells. And then this one. It is getting way more humid out here. Then look at this one. This one's complete. And the pattern is so pretty. Intermission. Matcha intermission. Oh yes! Here's my complete miniature gray scallop shell. It's so cute. It's so cute, that baby. I love it. I love it. I love it. Where is it? Because I have this itsy bitsy baby one, and this is a bigger one. See how this is what this shell would look like if it was complete. And look how big this shell could have been before it got eaten up, because these shells are like clams and they are like closed, you know, like, you know, that's what they look like, until another creature comes along and pops it open and go yum 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 yum, and they eat it up. So that scallop would have been, scallop got eaten. But I'm looking for some shells on the floor because I got shells on the floor. Look at this white oyster I got. Oh, I just dropped another shell. I picked it off the ground and now it's back on the ground. But I got this white oyster. This one's like really old because they're really gray, so I guess it's super duper old. Look at the layers on it. That's cool. Museum. I can't believe I did that at the same time. It's kind of like patting your head and rubbing your tummy. Sometimes it's hard to get the things to go. Okay, I gotta pick up some shells off the ground. Look at them. Like every time I found a shell, I'd be like, eee, a shell. So here's another broken olive. Boo. This is like a yellow brown one. And then another fragment. This one's really pretty, like all the stripes. This would be a fragment to a whelk. And they got little stripes and spirals. It's like really pretty. I wish it was complete, but this is a whelk. This is the most complete whelk I have. Because it's like a little house spiral and then goes straight down. So this one would have been bigger because the outer can swallow this one. So, yeah. Still super sandy. It just sounded like a salt shaker, but now all the sand's gone. Look, there's a tiny seashell in that one, but they're so cute and pretty. There's someone fishing in front of me and I'm like wondering what they're gonna catch, and they had like a huge bite on, so it could be a shark, it could be just like a really big fish or catfish or something. So this is kind of like what an olive shell looks like complete, but it looks like something took a big ol' bite out of it. I wonder what would have done that. Look at this oyster. Got a boat of seashells. And sand too. There's still so much sand falling and it's all over me. Ugh. Like this one's gray and white with a hole. This one is a shell. This one is a shell. It's like a sampler. We got a shell sampler on a oyster canoe. But I think the spiral shells are still like my favorite. This is a Florida conch fighting, no, it's a Florida fighting conch shell. And there's like the conchs that are really big. You see like being little door stops for some doors. But this is a smaller version, but it's still fit my hand if it was complete. But it's like orange and shiny and so pretty. I love a pretty shell. I love a pretty shell. Look at the collection of shells I have. Like, uh-oh. This one's just so fun and unique, the Swiss cheese one. But yeah. Yeah, well that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoy seeing my seashells, and I have a lot more, but I gotta like wash them off because they're super sandy and I don't want to be covered in sand. But if you like the seashell sounds and you want to see more, let me know and I can spend more time going through it all. But I'm just getting really hot and I need to drink water. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the notification button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.